This is a super simple air fryer recipe, just using a tin of new potatoes and a little bit of seasoning. So start by opening up the tin of potatoes, and drain the water out, add the new potatoes to a bowl, and then pat them dry with some kitchen paper. Then add a tablespoon of olive oil, and then season with a little bit of salt and pepper, followed by some seasonal, or you could just use a little bit of smoked paprika or some garlic powder, just depending what you have in the cupboard. Shake it all about to make sure it's all covered. I'm going to add a little bit more to make sure it's covered all the way over. Then add the seasoned new potatoes to your air fryer basket. This is perfect for doing in a dual air fryer because it means you can cook something on the other side at the same time. Set the air fryer off on 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Do check on them from time to time just to give them a little bit of a shake about, and also check that they're not cooking too quickly. I generally find that 20 minutes is the right amount of time. Should be lovely and golden and crispy, and when you cut into them, it's soft and fluffy on the inside. Perfect as a side dish or even just as a snack. I hope you enjoyed this really simple and quick air fryer recipe. Do let me know in the comments if there's any other air fryer recipes you would like me to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.